So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can install VirtualBox on Windows 11. So first of all, open the browser on your Windows PC. Now here search for VirtualBox. Now click on this first link. Now here click on download. Now here click on Windows host. And this says unverified download blocked. Click on it. Now click on download unverified file. And as you can see here, VirtualBox is being downloaded. And now the VirtualBox is downloaded. Let's run it. Now in the UC prompt, click on yes. Now click on next again. Now here select I accept. Click on next. Click on next again. Now click on yes. Click on yes. Now click on next. Now click on install. And this will start installing VirtualBox on Windows 11. And now VirtualBox is being installed. And now VirtualBox is installed. Click on finish. And now VirtualBox is launched. Now you can use it. So this I can install VirtualBox on Windows 11. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.